well.
Set fire to some crates.
Set fire to some crates. I don't know what it is elsewhere, but in Hastings it's another excuse to go out, listen to music, meet friends. Look around you. Look around you. I mean, you can't, but it's just an excuse to go out, have a really good time. And Hastings is such a great vibe that you can't really go wrong. It's to do with Guy Fawkes. It's a burning effigy. As long as you like fireworks and people in red and black stripy tops, you're pretty much game for a good night. It's I've been to a lot of them round here, but Hastings has always been the one that kicks off best. You know, you've got everything from sort of like 2-year-olds in prams to sort of like 80-year-olds walking around with fire. So it's good. It's very good, very good.